The traditional leader Chief Munyikwa, known in government records as Kiriyoni Rachamira, has come under fire for allegedly obstructing opposition political activity ahead of a key by-election scheduled for 14 June. Sanabna mashoko ashamisa vanhu onekwa kunzi aiwa Chief Munyikwa panguva ino vachibloka opposition vachiti aiwa mukwanisi kuita makampeni muarea mangu. Pari kuonekwa nyika yakatasana aiwa nemaby-elections 14 June. Kuliba subscribe like on the bell kuti mamwe mubudanyirwa muchenze. Opposition candidates accuse the chief, who is closely aligned with the ruling party ZANU-PF, of using his influence to deny them access to communities under the jurisdiction in the Munyikwa area. Independent candidate Gifty Bonese, a former CCC representative in the 2023 harmonious elections, says efforts to campaign in the area have been systematically sabotaged by the traditional leadership. Yes, it's true. They are being blocked, Bonese said. Chief Munyikwa has instructed village heads to prevent us from holding rallies or community meetings. Even attempts to install Wi-Fi to facilitate communication have been stopped. This undermines any chance of free, fair and credible elections. Gonese also reviewed ongoing intimidation tactics allegedly employed by local authorities. Our village heads are compiling lists of known opposition supporters, he said. People are being warned that if ZANU-PF loses, there will be consequences. What kind of fear mongering is no place in a democratic society? Chief Munyikwa has openly declared his allegiance to ZANU-PF, with the sources saying he has told local leaders that he is a ZANU-PF chief and will defend the gains of the liberation struggle. Critics say the chief's actions are not just unconstitutional but indicative of broader challenges facing opposition parties in rural areas, where political control is often maintained through traditional power structures. As the by-election approaches, civil society groups are calling for urgent intervention from Zimbabwe Electoral Commission and Parliament to ensure that all candidates can campaign freely without intimidation. Though mashoko awa arikuonekwa kunzi rural areas vari kuchema nekuda kwekuandamana kwavari kuitiwa nekuvharwa kunze. Pinda kumesection medu zvimafunguro enyu, subscribe, like, and turn on the bell icon.